Excuse me.
Well, the matinee started 20 minutes ago.
No, I'm actually looking for a little boy, 11 years old, dark hair, red hoodie, backpack.
Eli.
Yes, Eli. He's my nephew.
Oh, well, he had an appointment with our spiritual leader, Guru Sai. It was originally for later today, but he moved it up.
Spiritual leader?
Our center is upstairs above the theater. I believe Eli has joined Guru Sai for lunch.
Well, I believe I would like to join them.
Ah, there they are. Have a beautiful day.
You too.
Namaste.
Likewise.
Uncle Sean, what are you doing here?
Oh, that's funny. I was just gonna ask you the same thing.
I had an appointment.
That you moved up, yes, I heard. You're supposed to be in school.
Eli has graced me with his company for lunch while I help him with his school project.
It's for social studies.
Really?
Come, please, join us.
I think we should get going.
I'm not going back to school.
Today's lentil dal day, and I doubt if you've had any better, Mr.
McAllister, Sean.
Another bowl for Eli's uncle. Come.
Very well.